Good morning, Dr. Carter. I'm calling about your patient, Daniel Harris. He's been referred for persistent knee pain, but after reviewing his MRI, I'm concerned there might be more going on. The scan shows moderate osteoarthritis, but his symptoms suggest possible meniscal involvement. He also mentioned lower back discomfort. Could that be contributing?
Thanks, Mihira. Daniel did report intermittent back pain, but he insisted it was separate. His knee symptoms, swelling and locking, seem mechanical. Have you ruled out a ligament issue? The MRI didn't show ACL damage, did it?
No, the ligaments are intact. But here's the twist. His pain worsens with prolonged sitting, not just activity. That's atypical for pure meniscal tears. I'm wondering if it's referred from his spine. He's had lumbar stiffness for months, and his knee imaging isn't severe enough to explain his disability.
That's a fair point, Mihira. He's been on naproxen with minimal relief. If it's spinal referred pain, should we pivot to physio for his back first? Or would you recommend a diagnostic injection in the knee to confirm?
Let's try physio for both. If his knee improves, we'll know it's secondary. If not, we'll revisit imaging. The key is avoiding unnecessary surgery if the spine is the culprit. Mihira, it is completely understandable that you feel concerned about managing your migraines, but I want to reassure you that the medication prescribed for you is carefully balanced. It has been selected in the exact proportion needed to provide effective relief from the pain while keeping any potential side effects to an absolute minimum. This treatment is designed to help you regain control, so you can return to your daily activities with more comfort and less worry. Beyond the medication, there are several gentle adjustments to your daily routine that can make a significant difference in how you feel. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and ensuring you stay well hydrated throughout the day are two of the most powerful ways to support your nervous system. It is also helpful to pay attention to your personal triggers, such as certain foods or bright lights, and try to manage stress through quiet moments of relaxation. By combining this supportive lifestyle with your treatment plan, we can work toward reducing the frequency of these episodes. You are taking the right steps, and with patience, your well-being will improve.